Some shops have powder flying out of the booth or being sucked away, and the finish ends up uneven. Most of the time, it's a pressure problem. Your spray booth should run at a slight negative pressure. Too much negative, and powder gets pulled out before it hits the part. Transfer efficiency drops. Turn positive, and powder blows back into the workshop, bad for workers and a safety risk. The key is balancing supply and exhaust air. Exhaust should be slightly higher than supply, just enough to keep a gentle negative pressure. Get the ratio wrong, and the pressure swings all over the place. Make sure air volumes are matched properly during line design. A stable booth means powder goes where it should, and so does your finish. Is your booth running positive or negative? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
摘要 Together we color the world.